Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are all fine. So, today from Standard 8 English Medium. Which Standard? 8. 8 English Medium. Unit 9. Which unit? Unit 9. The chapter name is The Grey Stone Face, Part 1. The Grey Stone Face, Part 1. I will explain the MCQs. Now comes to the short question answer and long question answer. See, here given the short answer type questions. Question number 1. The first question is, how did Ernest first hear of the Grey Stone Face? How did the Ernest first hear of the Grey Stone Face? Now see the answer. One day when Ernest was a little boy, he sat with his mother. They were at the door. Whose? Their house. From that place, they could see the Grey Stone Face. Then his mother told him about it. When Ernest was a little boy, his mother sat beside her, were at the door. Okay, and told him about what? About the Grey Stone Face. Okay, that time the Ernest first hear about the Grey Stone Face. Now, second, how was the Grey Stone Face formed? How? The Grey Stone Face, we see the face, like smiling face, we see. But how it formed? So, some very huge rocks, okay, this type of rocks, very big, huge rocks stood on the steep side of the mountains. Steep side of the mountain. When seen from a distance, they appear to form a human face. This type of one upon one. This type of rocks. Okay? Steep side of mountain. If we see these stones from a distance, we appear from a human face. If we go through the close, we look what? Only stones, nothing else. But we see these stones at the proper distance, we see the human face appear from proper distance. Okay. Number third, what did many people in the valley believe concerning the Grey Stone Face? So, those who lives in the valley, means the many people in the valley believe that the valley owed its prosperity to that face. The valley owed to prosperity to that face, the Grey Stone Face. Number 4. What did Ernest's mother tell him about an old prophecy? What is the old prophecy? And what did Ernest's mother tell him about it? Let's see the answer. Ernest's mother told him that there was an old prophecy concerning the Grey Stone Face. It was that, now the prophecy, it was that one day the people who see a man with a face resembling the Grey Stone Face, who appeared in the valley, means in that village, who looks like the same as the Grey Stone Face. That was the prophecy. Okay. Now, fifth. How did the child Ernest react to his mother's story about the Grey Stone Face when sitting beside the door with who? With his mother. How did the child Ernest react to his mother? See the answer. Ernest was very happy to hear the story. Story of what? Story of the Grey Stone Face. He clapped his hands with pleasure. He hoped that he would live to see the man resembling the Grey Stone Face. That time when his mother told him about the Grey Stone Face, he hoped that he would live to see the man who looks like the Grey Stone Face. Okay. Now number 6. Why did the mother agree with Ernest that he might live to see the face like the grey stone face? Why his mother agreed? Let's see the answer. Ernest's mother was an affectionate woman. How? Affectionate woman. She did not want to dishearten her son. So she agreed with him, saying that it was possible. Possible what? He means his son. Her son see the man who was resembling the face. Okay? So he was affectionate to her son. He loves his son. That is why she did not want to dishearten her son. Okay? That is the reason. Now, short answer type questions are finished. Now comes to the long answer type question. See, the first. How did Ernest get interested in the grey stone face when he was a child? The answer started with here. One evening, Ernest and his mother sat at the door of their cottage. Whose cottage? Their own cottage. They sat beside the door. And what happened at that time? At that time, Ernest was just a small child, means young, little child. The grey stone face was miles away from the cottage. Okay? Ernest and his mother sat beside what? Beside the cottage, and from the long distance, the grey stone face was miles away from the cottage. The evening sun fell upon it. Which time? Evening time, the sun fell upon it. So even from that great distance, the child and his mother could clearly see the grey stone face. Who? The grey stone face. The mother and the child could see that face clearly. Ernest felt that the grey stone face was smiling on him. When Ernest see from the distance the grey stone face, how he looks, he was smiling on him. He expressed a desire to his mother. He expressed his desire to her mother. What he said? He wished that it could talk to him. What? Ernest wished that the grey stone face would talk to him. He said that if he never saw such a man, Ernest said that if he never saw such a man, he would love him very much. If he see that man the face like a grey stone face, he would love him very much. The mother replied that it could happen if an old prophecy. Proved true in his lifetime. This made Ernest much interested in the face. So the mother replied, if it could happen, the old prophecy will come true. That time, you see, the Ernest was interested in the face. Now comes to number second. What was the story concerning the prophecy? How did child Ernest react to this story? What did the mother say to his childlike hope? Now 3 questions together. Okay, now see. The mother told Ernest the story about the grey stone face sitting the door. His cottage. Ernest's cottage. Okay. She had heard it from her mother. What heard about the face, grey stone face. He heard about the grey stone face in proper distance. Okay. From her mother when she was a child younger than Ernest. Okay, her mother, who's Ernest's mother? Ernest's mother heard about what? Heard about the story of the grey stone face when she was a child. And who told her story? Her mother, means Ernest's grandmother. Okay. So she had heard it. Who? Ernest's mother had heard it from her mother when she was a child, younger than the Ernest. Younger than the Ernest. They said that a special child. They said that a special child should be born near here. Should be born means this place near the Greystone face. Born here. Born here near the place. This child would become the greatest and noblest person of his time. When this Greystone face, he born, looks like a Greystone face. Here he was the greatest. What? He was the greatest and noblest person of his time, who looks like the Greystone face. Noblest, greatest and noblest person of his time. In manhood, he should bear an exact resemblance to the Greystone face. Means he totally looks like what? To looks like the Greystone face. Similar to Greystone face. Looks like a Greystone face. Many still had faith in that old prophecy. Others thought it to be nothing more than idle talk. So in the village there are so many people. Some of the villagers said that it had faith that one man born in this village who looks like the same as the Greystone face, and others said that it was only a talk, idle talk, nothing more than the true. It was not true. Ernest was greatly pleased with the story. Ernest said that it was pleased, means the story is true. He clapped his hand and expressed the hope that he would love to see him. One day he would love to see the man who was born here and looks like the same as the Greystone face. The mother was affectionate and thoughtful, so she said that it was possible. His mother loves him very much, so she was very affectionate and thoughtful to her son. So she said to the Ernest it was possible to come, that man born in here and who looks like this, similar as the Greystone face, resembling the face. So friends, these are the long answer type question and short answer type question explained by me. I hope you understand about it. And these question answers you should write in your note. Thank you.